long do y'all normally wait for y'all car to actually warm up? Huh?
Till it quiets down.
Till it quiets down?
Yeah, when the RPMs come in.
Well, time to go. Today we finna go to this event. Currently not. But today we finna go to this event. It's a nighttime event, really. Some of the cars up here. My boy Jose done pulled up. We pulling out of this bitch at fucking 4:15. And we ain't wasting no time. Guys, I've been calling this thing a GT3 RS. It's just a GT3. Son of a bitch, he got me. Still nice though. The McLaren done pulled up. Nah, that's my dog Matt, man. He cool as shit.
The new week.
I hate that. It's like, oh, I gotta take this shit off now. Everyone's fucking doing it. I might leave like, bro, you get you a forged carbon helmet.
I don't know, this is just tough.
Shit. A forged carbon helmet? That helmet's so fucking light. Was like what, $1,300 for this helmet? No, that's cheaper than my fucking Arai that I have. Oh really? Yeah, my Arai's like $1,500, and that thing's light. But then I've got this.
My boy Travis gonna love this.
This shit's super light. Doesn't even feel like it's on your fucking head. Yeah. Imagine.
This is tough.
Yeah, that shit. I was looking at the temp. I was supposed to go to there.
That thing is freaking huge.
It's so big.
Yes. Jesus Christ. Ain't no way. And the lip? New front lip too, y'all. The new front lip looks good.
Yeah, you got some good stuff. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, it's so different. Yeah.
That looks good.
That's super aggressive. Definitely needs to be. Yeah. Get around the corner like Ocean.
Look at my baby. Maybe a thumbnail, maybe. Hold on. Maybe a thumbnail right there. We got here a little early. Oh, like always. Dude, I love this damn car right here. He was Marvin with us. The McLaren. Hey, Matt. Matt, how close was you to that tire?
Not close.
You wasn't that close? Okay.
I think he was the closest. I got an inch
away.
He had to like.
I know.
I didn't know there was anyone behind.
What you call with the Mustang?
Yeah.
He said he almost caught it because the GT3 was right in front of him. As soon as he pushed over, it was right on his front bumper.
It was in front of me.
Uh-huh.
I swerved. The truck behind me was falling so close, he didn't see it. So he kicked the tire with his car.
Oh no!
And then he landed in front of these guys.
See, it scared the hell out of me when I seen it. But I'm glad I was all the way over to the other lane.
That shit was wild. Like I saw first, I was like, tire.
Yeah. Where's the signs at?
Porsche out here. Like I said, this is people starting to pull up. That Audi is nice.
Good deal.
Audi is cold. Oh, y'all know I love these little S15 over here. Gotta go see them. S15, I want one so bad. ESR is on there. Right hand drive. Oh. That bitch is tough. Got a club car out here. That thing sounds nasty. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's so hot out here, bro. Y'all see that thing up there? Jesus, great balls of fire. I know it's hot in that bitch. I parked beside him at our last event. I love this thing. That thing is nasty. It's that carbon fiber. Ooh, the carbon fiber.
Is that the striking post on?
Oh, you got the carbon fiber? The carbon fiber.
I got a Ross rack.
Goes back.
Upgrading it, though. Upgrading it.
Yeah, that's a
That my
stepbrother, bro.
yeah, that's my twin right there.
Like even like a yes.
Twin.
It was definitely that one popping.
Look at my dog Jose in charge. River City right here. My dog River City. I love the seats. It's a big ass wing too. I wonder if those are like his favorite maps right there. GT3 Cup. This bitch look nasty. Look at those. You can't even really see in there. It's so scratched up, plexiglass. Michelin tires, them bitches sticky. This bitch is tough. Tough. Little I-8 right here. I want to make that. That might be the dummy. Not gonna lie, we got rain clouds on the way. That bitch is nothing but jeans right there, y'all. Nothing but a pair of jeans. Took a fresh pair of Levi's, just cut them hoes up, and was like, fuck it, we gonna put that bitch on an E30. Oh yeah, dial me up then, fellas. Dial me up, fellas. Ooh, okay, angles. Bro, what the fuck? Look at the Batmobile right here. That bitch sounds crazy too. Aventador. Batmobile too. AMG seats. This thing look nice. My man pulled out a whole blow dryer.
That's why he bought the car he has. Otherwise, if he bought a nice car, he'd be sneezing all the time. That's
Oh, these motherfuckers tilting. You got Tesla wheels on there?
I can see us holding hands, walking on the
Holy hell, where are they coming from? My 2023 BMW G80. Finna get ready to go on a little night ride. As y'all can see, bro, we ain't got nobody out here. So I can get going.